This is exercise 1.3 question number 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational. We'll write down proof of root 5 by the contradiction method. What it means? We'll say, as they are saying root 5 is irrational, what we'll say? Root 5 is rational. The opposite thing we are talking. So in this way, we'll give the proof. This method is called as the contradiction method. Okay. So as I am saying root 5 is rational, so definitely root 5 I'll be able to write down in the form of a by b, but b should not be equal to 0. If b will become 0, then what will happen? It will no more a rational number. Correct? Now, one more thing here, a and b should be co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? The numbers which don't have any common factor other than 1. Suppose I write down 3 by 5. 3 and 5, they don't have any other common factor other than 1. So 3 and 5 are the co-prime numbers. Okay. Now let us see how to write down the proof of this one. Here, first we'll assume root 5 is rational. As I said, it is rational. We'll write down in the form of a by b, where a and b are co-prime integers and b should not be equal to 0. Correct? This is very important to mention. A and b should be co-prime integers and b should not be equal to 0. Now we'll make the square of both the sides. Root 5 square is 5. Here a square and b square. Okay. Now what I did, this b square I have sent to the LHS and this 5 I have brought at the right hand side to divide. Correct. Now looking at this one, you can make out a square divided by 5. See here, a square divided by 5. That means a square is divisible by 5. It means that 5 divides a also. See here I have written here. 5 divides a square, which implies that 5 divides a. I'll give one example. 25. It's a square which is getting divided by 5. So square root of 25 is what? 5. This is also getting divided by 5. Right? Take the another example here. Suppose I have 225. Square of 15 is getting divided by 5. Now what is square root of this one 225? It is 15. 15 is also getting divided by 5. Right? It means that if square of the number is getting divided by 5, it means that its square root is also getting divided by 5. That is only the reason we have written here 5 divides a square, which implies that 5 divides a, and we have named it as 1. Okay. Now, then there exists a number c such that a is equal to 5c. Now you see here a is there, right? So a equal to 5c. So 5 into 1. 1 is the another number, which we are calling it as c. At this place also you see 15 means what? 5 into 3. 5 is fixed, but 3 is the another integer. So that another integer is c. That means we can write down a which is equal to 5c. Okay. Now a square if I make, then it is a square which is equal to 25c square. This value of a square I will substitute in this one. See here, b square as it is, instead of a square 25c square we have written, divided by 5, so divided by 5 here. Okay. Now you see, I will just cancel 5 ones are and 5 5s are. So here what we got, b square which is equal to 5c square. Correct. Now this b square which is equal to 5c square, this b square divided by 5 which is equal to c square. So I can write down c square which is equal to b square by 5. Right. Here also the same thing. 5 is dividing b square. It means that 5 divides b square, which implies that 5 divides b. Now look at the first statement here. Here we said 5 divides a, and here we are saying 5 divides b. But in the starting what we said, a and b are co-prime. They don't have any common factor. And here from the first one and second one we are telling 5 is a common factor. Right? See here. Since 5 is a common factor for both a and b, it contradicts our assumption that a and b are co-prime integers. Correct na? In the starting we said they are co-prime. And now while doing the proof we came to know that A and B are having a common factor as 5. So we are only contradicting our fact. Right? Hence our initial assumption that root 5 is rational is wrong. Therefore root 5 is irrational number. Correct? I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.